Welcome to Cars, Drones, Computers. So today I had to reshoot this intro because I bricked my Osmo Pocket. So don't do what I'm about to do. It's not their fault. It's completely my fault. I accept 100% responsibility for my actions. So essentially what happened was I took this apart to film an episode for you guys. I went ahead and disconnected the battery, and as you see right here in these clips, I removed some of the silicone and got rid of some of that and was able to basically remove the battery terminal, and it looked like this. And it was a complete pain. I mean, I used these ESD safe tweezers right here and just kept kind of, picking off little pieces. Took forever. DJI definitely doesn't want you taking this battery apart, and maybe I found out why, because once I did, this thing stopped working. Look. I do that, it comes on, no lights, and then it shuts right back off. If I plug it in, same thing happens. And it shuts right back off. Now, if I plug it into my phone, the minute I go to plug in this USB thing, plug it into the phone, try to turn it on, I get a little flashing red light. It don't want to have nothing to do with it. Same thing goes with plugging in the wireless module. Nothing happens. Completely dead in the water. So, with all that said, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. So, if you guys do want to see more content like this, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. I'm a pretty small YouTuber, so I would appreciate your all's support. At this point, I guess I'm going to contact DJI. I mean, I've voided my warranty. I do have the care plan. I don't know what they'll even say because obviously they didn't design this for a user to be replaced. And you know what? I hope in the future that they do. Devices like this, if things go bad, things have problems, and it seems with them, everything, you just send it back to them. They kind of got that Apple repair philosophy and just replace it instead of fixing it. So I don't know exactly, maybe I wiped the memory, or maybe I messed up the firmware. I'm not really sure. Maybe there'll be a hack. I tried pressing and holding these buttons several times. I tried a whole bunch of different things. Plugged it in the computer, plugged it in my phone, plugged it in the battery charger, thought, well, maybe it needs a charge, but the charge light doesn't even come on. I double checked, make sure I had the battery reseated properly. I did that. I must have done that 10 times. So I've tried a whole lot of things, even made sure that the, everything was reinstalled properly, which I did after my first tear down, and it did just fine. Took the battery back off. I'm able to duplicate this over and over. So yeah, I guess unplugging the battery for now, until I find out something different, is definitely a way to kill your Osmo Pocket. Just so I'm very clear here, I'm not blaming DJI for this at all, other than the fact that I wish they would have made it a little bit easier to plug. They got a real easy plug to do the buttons and the screen, but super hard plug for the battery, so I guess they really don't want you unplugging that. And hopefully, you all learned something along with me, because I know I did, and definitely gonna have to do a little bit more research. Sometimes I just like to delve right into stuff and see if I can figure it out. And this story's probably not over, because I'm going to be staring at this thing since it's pretty much a big paperweight now. I'll be thinking about, I wonder how I could fix it. Until that happens, go ahead and throw a like on this video if you liked today's video, and please subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content like this and other teardowns that are more successful than this one. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.